administration continuing its mass deportation plan after the president invoked the Alien Enemies Act, despite a federal judge blocking that move. The act has been invoked 3 times in history and allows non-citizens to be deported without a hearing. Now, the ruling came down yesterday, ordering President Trump to halt any deportation flights. However, White House Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt announced earlier today that nearly 300 alleged Tren de Aragua gang members have already been deported to El Salvador.
Let's diving into the controversial mass deportation plan by the Trump administration and the legal battle that's unfolding. Did the president defy a federal judge's order? What's the Alien Enemies Act, and why is this such a big deal? Stick around, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about the Alien Enemies Act. This law, passed in 1798, allows the U.S. government to deport non-citizens deemed a threat during times of war or crisis. It's only been invoked 3 times in history, and now, President Trump is using it to deport alleged Tren de Aragua gang members. But here's the twist: a federal judge blocked the move, ordering the administration to halt deportation flights. Yet, the White House claims they didn't violate the order because the flights were already over international waters. What do you think? Was this a legal loophole or a direct challenge to the court? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Trump's social media post showing deportees arriving in El Salvador. Here's where it gets juicy. The Trump administration deported nearly over 200 alleged gang members to El Salvador, despite the judge's order. White House Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt defended the move, saying the flights were already over international airspace when the order came down. Attorney General Pam Bondi even slammed the judge's decision, calling it a disregard for presidential authority. But wait, could this defiance lead to legal repercussions? Tomorrow's court hearing will be crucial, and we'll be keeping an eye on it. Do you think the administration overstepped, or was this a necessary move for national security? Let me know in the comments. This isn't just about one deportation flight, it's about the ongoing tension between the executive and judicial branches. The Trump administration is doubling down on its deportation efforts, while critics argue it's an overreach of power. With the court hearing tomorrow, this story is far from over. Will the administration face consequences, or will they continue their deportation plans? Either way, this is a story that could shape immigration policy for years to come. What's your take? Do you support the deportations, or do you think the court should have the final say? Let's discuss in the comments. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, why should I care about Venezuelan gang members? But here's the thing, this isn't just about them. It's about due process, the idea that everyone deserves a fair hearing before being punished. If the government can just label someone a gang member and deport them without evidence, what's stopping them from doing it to anyone? This is about protecting your rights, too. If the government can ignore the law today, who's to say they won't come for someone you care about tomorrow? Think about it. If the executive branch can ignore the Supreme Court, who's left to enforce the law? It's a scary thought, and it could have huge implications for democracy. And that's the latest on Trump's mass deportation plan. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more breaking news, topics, and deep dives. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.